In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Smartsheet account. We'll walk through the full process together, step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Before you start, make sure you're already logged in to your Smartsheet account in a web browser, since these options are found inside your account settings. First, look at the lower left corner of your Smartsheet screen. You should see your profile area there, usually showing your initials or profile picture. Click on this profile icon. This is your main entry point to settings related to your account, including your personal information and subscription details. If you're not seeing it, try expanding or scrolling the left side navigation panel to reveal the profile section. Once you've clicked your profile icon, a small menu or panel will open. From here, look for the option labeled Plan and Billing Info, and click on it. This section is where Smartsheet keeps everything related to your subscription, such as your current plan, payment method, and renewal details. It may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds if the page doesn't appear right away. On the Plan and Billing page, scroll through the options until you find the one that says Cancel Account. This is typically clearly labeled because it's related to ending your subscription. Click on Cancel Account. At this stage, some users may see additional information such as what happens to their data or when billing will stop. It's a good idea to read any messages shown here so you understand whether your account is being cancelled immediately or at the end of your current billing period. If you have important sheets or reports, consider exporting or backing them up before continuing. After you click Cancel Account, Smartsheet will usually show a final confirmation step. Here you'll see an option to deactivate your account. Go ahead and click on Deactivate. This is the action that actually turns off your account. Smartsheet may ask you to confirm one more time just to make sure you didn't click it by mistake. Confirm if prompted and then wait for the confirmation message that your account has been deactivated. And that's it. You've now deactivated your Smartsheet account by going through your profile icon, opening the Plan and Billing Info section, selecting Cancel Account, and then confirming by clicking Deactivate.